I'm calling one of the best Western holster makers in the country. John Costanza. What's that acid stuff you sent me to clean leather with?
What's that again?
That acid you sent me to clean leather with.
Oxalic.
Oxalic?
Oxalic. O-X-A-L-I-C.
O-X-A-L-I-C.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on natural leather. On natural.
Yeah, on natural.
You ever seen a mark from oil or something like that?
Yeah.
Or from metal? Well, I tell you what, you just go down to the hardware store, and originally it's made from bleached out wood. You know, if you got wood that you want to make real light.
Okay, it says wood bleach.
Yeah, exactly. But it works good on leather. Don't leave any marks or nothing.
What, I've got a young man here talking to me about keeping leather good, preserving it, redoing old leather, and what products to use. He's writing a little article about it. And he's like me, he doesn't know shit from Chinola, you know.
Well, it's only good on natural leather. It hasn't been oiled or anything.
Okay, what do you bring old leather back with?
I got great old saddle butter, which I really like. You know, it's a paste. And like if you got, like we sell it with a lot of it with gun leather, you know.
Saddle butter.
It's called saddle butter, made by Ray Holtz.
Ray Holt. Has he got a website?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he's just interested in all the different products and how you would take care of them.
Yeah, Ray Holtz used to buy wholesale, but you got to buy a case.
Oh yeah. Well, we're not going to buy any of it, but the deal, it just to write about it.
Yeah, well that's good, and also, it's like with leather, just to bring it back, use saddle soap.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah.
Good old saddle soap, baby saddle.
And stay away from the neatsfoot oil. That just makes it soft.
Yeah, to soften it up. It's okay when you make it new leather.
Yeah.
Put a coat on there, but you don't want to use it. A lot of people use too much and it just wrecks the leather.
Makes it soft.
It just breaks it down.
What do you put on your pistol holsters when you get done?
Before I do, when it's done, the first thing I do is I put neatsfoot on them.
Okay.
I like neatsfoot on
Just enough to color.
Yeah, you just put a good coat on there and let it dry, and it dries really with a pretty color. And then I put, for my final coat, I put bag coat on it. You've heard of bag coat?
No. Is it anything like neat lac?
Yeah, but it's not. It doesn't have a lot of lacquer in it.
Okay.
It's water-based, but boy, it did put a nice finish. And it's not too shiny, you know. It's almost a little bit of a satin finish, which I like.
Yeah. I prefer it not to be shiny. That guy's site is Ray Holt.
Ray Holtz, H-O-L-E-S.
Okay, Ray Holt.
Yeah,
Well, I want to know, you know, what you clean your leather with, and
yeah.
I'm gonna talk to you tonight. I'll give you a call. All right. So he's using wood bleach.
Wood bleach.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And that acid they sell at the hardware store. And Ray Holt sells. They sell it. They sell the leather butter. In small containers. Ray Holt, you got to buy. You know.
Yeah. A gallon.
I don't really know what the leather butter is. I have no idea. It's probably some paste. I'm assuming a lot like saddle soap, maybe.
Yeah.
You know. But you go to Weaver's site, go to Ray Holt's site, and see what he sells.
Okay.
Even call him and ask him. Say, look, I'm writing an article. I'm writing about caring for leather, and would you like to contribute some knowledge to me? You know, and if we write this, we'll mention you.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Mention your product.
Yeah.
And that'll way to talk to you.
There we go.
You know. You can Google up leather care, and you'll get all kind of sites. And call them and talk to them. Tell them, hey, we want to mention your product. What does this do?
Yeah.
You know, you got to hustle.
Yeah.
That's the way it is, you know. But John Costanza is he's one of the best Western gear makers in the business. Western Star Leather. He's in Boulder City, Nevada.
Nevada?
Right close to the dam.
Oh, gotcha.
But you've seen everything that I do just about.
Yeah.
Except making a belt. That's pretty elementary.
That's awesome. Appreciate you showing me around.
I use, when I do my snaps, they always hard to open and close. And this is something a girl gave me. Don't smell good. It's wax with walnut oil in it.
Mm-hmm.
And I put thinner in it, so I made a paste out of it, and that's what I wax my snaps with.
Gotcha.
So they open and close good.